it, play with it.
That big enough or?
No sand until we get home.
Yeah, put the sand back.
What?
Open it, Ace's gift?
He doesn't open it.
What's sand?
Look, there's sand for the
Cars
litter box
2.
thing.
Wasn't very good, but...
She's been wanting this forever. Look at that movie, eh?
Will you back off?
Here, Ace.
There's still a couple more gifts under there. There's Amber's or Ace's.
It's gotta be Ace's.
So close to that.
Okay, she got a polo shirt.
All right, Amber, grab those gifts. There's still one for you, and I need Ace's because Ace isn't interested in opening. He just wants to play.
Well, whose is that, Amber, before you rip it open?
Hey, that's hers. Barbie.
She knows what's for.
All right.
That's 2.
The second one?
Yeah, and I got cards too. All right, Amber, hand me Ace's gifts, please.
I don't even know if that's honest.
You got
Mom,
more
you want your
movies to
gifts?
drive me nuts with?
Open it.